With this homemade trick, your bathroom will always smell fresh and natural, and you won't have to buy more air conditioners. Next, we will explain how to do it step by step. First, we will remove the container of detergent in the bar of your choice. This step is crucial since the detergent contains glycerin, a substance that helps keep the aroma fresh. Do not try to pour the detergent directly into the toilet, as it will not have the same effect and you can cover the pipe. Next, we will take a disposable mask and, with the help of scissors, we will cut the corners that contain the plastic strips of the mask. This will allow us to open the mask properly for the next step. Then we will place the detergent inside the mask. Then we will separate the fold of the elastic band of the mask to be able to manipulate it correctly. We will use the elastic band to wrap the detergent several times and secure it firmly inside the mask, making a knot in the part where we open the mask. Next, we will go to the toilet and remove the lid of the cistern. We will insert the detergent wrapped in the mask inside the cistern. This step is essential, as when in contact with water, the detergent will release its fragrance gradually every time it is pulled out of the chain. Then, we will slightly shake the water in the cistern to make sure that the detergent begins to release its aromatic substance. This will allow the aroma to spread evenly every time the toilet is used. Finally, we will put the lid back on the toilet cistern. With each use, your bathroom will have a fresh and pleasant smell that will last from 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the frequency of use of the toilet and the amount of water in the cistern. This simple homemade trick will not only keep your bathroom fresh and natural, but will also allow you to save money on commercial air conditioners. In addition, the use of liquid detergent ensures that no solid waste is formed in the cistern, keeping your toilet system clean and efficient. If you liked this trick and want to see more tips and practical solutions for the home, make sure to check out our channel. You will find a wide variety of tutorials and guides that will help you improve your daily life with simple and effective methods. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support is essential so that we can continue creating quality content.